partner.
Good night, Miss Paola.
What's your name?
My name is Leonardo Poveda.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Tell me about yourself.
I am professional in plastic engineer, degree of University X. I graduated in December of 2008. I have a title of specialization in project management. On my work experience is to focus the plastic and chemical.
How were your companions described?
My main skills are organization, punctuality, versatility, fast learning, responsible, and honest.
What is your greatest strength in weakness?
My greatest strength is perseverance, and my biggest weakness is that when I have to fulfill certain functions to life as early as possible to allow time to make a review.
What was your job?
I am production management in plastic company.
Where was this your job?
I work in big factory just outside the city. There is a lot of machine working all the day by operators.
What responsibilities do you have at work?
As I said, I am the production management. My main responsibility is to follow and supervise the operation of machines.
Describe your activities at work.
I have to coordinate and manage the operator work and ensure the environment is safe.
Thank you very much, Leonardo.
Thank you, Miss Paola.
Bye.
Bye.